Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of your Adobe Firefly account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type firefly.adobe.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Adobe Firefly. As you can see, I've already logged into my account, and if you have not, do log in right now. If you scroll down, you can look at all the features and facilities provided. But right now we only want to sign out of our account. In case you're having any problems signing out, do follow us step by step, and then you'll finally be able to log out of your Adobe Firefly account. If you look at the navbar at the very right section, you will find your account right here. Simply click on it. A pop-up like this will open up, and it's gonna give you a few options like managing your account, your preferences, and signing out. Simply click on the sign out button right here, and then as you can see, you will be logged out of your Adobe Firefly account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you sign out of your Adobe Firefly account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.